Why ships use port and starboard. Have you ever noticed something interesting on ships? Sailors never say left or right. Instead, they use the words port and starboard. But why? The answer lies in safety, clarity, and centuries of maritime history. At sea, directions must remain constant. Left and right can change depending on where a person is standing or facing, but port and starboard never change. When you face the front of the ship, the bow, port is always on your left, and starboard is always on your right. This simple rule helps prevent confusion, especially during navigation, watchkeeping, and emergencies. Now let's go back in time. In early days, ships did not have centerline rudders like modern vessels. They were steered using a large steering oar. Most sailors were right-handed, so the steering oar was placed on the right side of the stern. That side became known as the steering side. Over time, the word steering side evolved. From Old English, steor, meaning to steer, and board, meaning the side of a boat. Together, it became starboard. As ships grew larger, docking on the steering oar side became difficult and risky. So ships were docked on the opposite side, originally called larboard, meaning the loading side. But larboard sounded too similar to starboard, which caused confusion when orders were shouted at sea. To avoid mistakes, larboard was replaced with a new word, port. Port referred to the side of the ship that faced the port, where cargo was loaded by porters. And that's how we got the terms port and starboard. Not just words, but clear, universal directions shaped by maritime experience. Simple, practical, and trusted by sailors for hundreds of years. Want to know why the top deck of a ship is called Monkey Island? Tell us in the comments and follow for more maritime knowledge.